Hello everyone, this is Blockcraftman, and in this tutorial I'll be doing part 1 on how to make a getting over it physics game. But the platformer series is not done. I'm going to continue the platformer series tomorrow, but right now I want to do some getting over it physics. So I'm just going to say getting over it part 1 because this is part 1 of how to make getting over it. So first you want to make a sprite with a blob guy and a hammer. Second of all, you also want to make a squiggle, like a very squiggly, like just like a whole getting over it ground that has some squiggles and has at least an easy way to get up. Now you want to make sure that goes to 0, 0, and make sure that your getting over it drawing is filled and is middleized. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going to go on the bitmap and I'm going to fill it in with the same color, and now you have it. So basically the hammer is the same color as the ground, so I'm basically going to fill in the whole thing with a different color. I'm just going to use like a brownish thing. So when the flag is clicked, you want it to go to this X, fall down, make sure that the hammer forever goes to the player, and then it also points in the direction of the player. So when the flag is clicked, we're going to set Y to 150, and then we want to repeat until touching the sprite 3. You can name your sprites later, but I'm just going to not do that for the sake of time. So repeat until touching sprite 3. Change Y by -10. I mean -5. So after that, then you should have this that keeps on going down. And then now we should also add some quick code to the hammer. So a flag is clicked, forever go to the player, which is sprite 1 in this case, and then point towards the mouse pointer. As you can see, I'm going to put the hammer not middleized, but I'm going to put it almost the same place as that line, just for one reason. But now if you can see, you have this nice hammer that you can swing around. But the hammer can still go through the player, the ground. So how can we stop the hammer from turning into the ground? So that is going to be a bit of some more code for us. So basically what you want to do is so what I'm going to do is add this into a if else and put this in the else part and add if touching the ground. Then basically what we want to do is we want to check if we want to add a if and another if. So if the direction is greater than 0 and less than 0. So we're going to get the direction block, add it in, and we're going to add if it's greater than 0, then you want to turn this way by 5, or else the other way by 5. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial for this series, we'll fix the collision.